Yesterday we were there. It is such a beautiful day here in Ohrid. We will be heading back to Skopje soon. Meanwhile, just enjoying the weather and some coffee. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe eat, maybe drink coffee. Food and coffee. But yeah, we're here. Fun fact, my mom is from here, so I know the city pretty well. Yeah. Fun fact. But I haven't been here in a while.
Probably my second time in Pripyat. Ever. Fun fact.
Rihanna is here too. The whole crew is getting back together.
Down to Priest that way. So where you're looking now, by the way, not this first set of mountain ridges, the ones in the background, that's Albania.
Okay.
Where you're looking over this way, on the other side of those mountain ridges, is Skopje.
Damian?
If you look straight down that way, it's Greece.
You do it for YouTube.
Vidi su racete od strana.
So that's Greece.
that way.
Guys,
It's a bit hazy.
guys. Hey.
We are on top of Treskavets. which is
Treskavets is that.
It's a monastery
Yeah.
on
There.
top of a mountain in Prilep, which is in the middle of the Pelagonia Plain, which you can see down here. The Pelagonia Plain extends from here all the way down to Greece. That's all Pelagonia,
Going to Bitola?
all the way down to Bitola.
Brianna, you're in the sun. I mean,
Oh.
hiding the sun.
Macedonia live with Amy Holland. Coming to you from
Uber
Treskavets.
Macedonician.
Coffee with an expert on the mountain.
So this is mountain. There is goats and goat shit. Yeah, so anyway, up the top there, what you see is there's a tiny little tower with a little gold rod attached to it. Because of the fact that we're in a big plain, whenever storms come overhead, and most of this mountain is iron ore, what happens is lightning strikes here a lot. Specifically strikes that little ball up there. So if you're a storm chaser, it's a really good spot to sit and watch a lot of lightning.
Nice. Very nice. It zoomed in.
And then there's of course how much wood a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. He would chuck as much as he could and chuck as much wood as woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
What he said. Exactly what he
Oh
said.
shit, I'm on camera.
Oh shit, I'm on camera.
Come on. I'll go. The difficult one? Oh, this one. Betty Botter had some butter, but she said this butter's bitter. If I bake this bit of butter, it would make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter, that would make my batter better. So she bought a bit of butter, better than her bitter butter, then she baked it in her batter, and the batter was not bitter. So 'twas better, Betty Botter bought a bit of better butter. Go on, do the next one, you do the next one, ready?
Oh, no, no,
Come
no,
on.
no, no.